Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the wind speed preferences on the CMap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the home button at the lower left corner of the screen and tap to the settings icon next to your email, and here you can find in the Viewer preferences section, and in the wind speed option just drag the circle which what you want and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.